It's no secret energy consumption is a central part of our daily lives. Whether it's powering your home, heating your water, or running appliances, the need for electricity is constant. However, the traditional sources of energy, fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas, come with significant environmental and financial costs. As we face the realities of climate change, rising energy prices, and resource depletion, many homeowners are asking, is it necessary to have renewable energy in my home? This video is here to answer that question for you. Here at The Energy Professor, we want to give you the information that you need to not only save money on your energy bill, but to become more energy efficient. We hope you find this video helpful, and be sure to check out our solar tool in the description below to calculate how much you could be saving at your address by switching to solar. All you need to do is enter your home or business address, select your property type, then select your estimated average monthly electric bill, and that's it. Our tools will calculate the upfront cost after incentives, 20-year benefits, tax incentives, the total 20-year savings, and how many years it will take for you to get paid back from installing your panels. You will also be able to see the savings no matter if you're looking to buy, lease, or loan your solar panel system. You can get all of this plus a free quote over at theenergyprofessor.com. We think that having renewable energy in your home is becoming increasingly important. If you've ever wondered whether renewable energy is right for you or your home, keep on watching. We're about to break down the reasons why making the switch is not only necessary for the environment, but also for your wallet, your home's value, and your energy independence. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more energy and money saving videos like this. Here are the top benefits of installing renewable energy in your home. Number 1. Save money on your energy bills. Renewable energy sources like solar power can drastically reduce your monthly electric costs. Once solar panels are installed, they can generate free energy from the sun, lowering your reliance on expensive grid power. In many areas, you can even sell excess energy back to the grid for a profit. This is called net metering. Number 2. It helps the environment. Using renewable energy reduces your carbon footprint, helping to fight climate change. Solar, wind, and other renewable resources produce little to no greenhouse gases. By going green, you're contributing to cleaner air, reducing pollution, and protecting the planet. Number 3. Energy independence. Renewable energy allows you to generate your own electricity, reducing reliance on fossil fuels. It makes your home more energy independent, especially during power outages or price hikes. If you use energy storage like batteries, it can keep your lights on even when the grid is down. Number 4. Increase home value. Homes with renewable energy systems like solar panels are often valued higher than homes without them. Buyers are increasingly looking for energy-efficient, eco-friendly homes. Installing renewable energy systems can make your home more attractive if you ever decide to sell. Number 5. Long-term investments. While the upfront cost of installing renewable energy systems like solar panels can be high, they often pay for themselves over time through lower energy bills. Many governments and utility companies also offer incentives or tax credits to help with the initial costs. Solar panels and other renewable systems can last for decades, offering long-term savings. And finally, number 6, improved resilience. Solar energy combined with battery storage systems can keep your home powered even during blackouts or emergencies. By having your own energy source, you are less vulnerable to power grid failures and disruptions. Renewable energy in your home is not just a trend. It is a smart choice for saving money, protecting the environment, and gaining energy independence. It's an investment that pays off in the long run, both financially and for the planet. As technology improves and costs continue to drop, adopting renewable energy at home is becoming more accessible and necessary for a sustainable future. If you're looking for more ways to increase the energy efficiency and sustainability in your home, be sure to take a look at all the latest renewable energy options in your area. The Energy Professor helps residential and small business owners find qualified energy suppliers in New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Texas, Ohio, Maryland, Illinois, and Massachusetts. Thank you so much for watching, happy savings, and we'll see you in the next video.